how to print and create different folding styles in SmartStream for HP PageWide XL printer series. In this video, we'll look at how to create different folding styles in HP SmartStream. To use this function, a folder must be installed. To access the folding style screen, I click on the Folding Style tab in HP SmartStream. I can then create a folding style by clicking the Create option. Next, I need to specify the paper dimensions of the custom folding style or choose from the following options, such as which folding option we want to use. In this instance, I'll choose the Fan Fold Only option. I can specify the folding preferences and whether I want to see the dimensions of the folding paper before beginning the folding. Click the General Preferences tab and preview. The green marks will show the settings I selected and the dimensions of the folded paper. If the page contains some header or summary information, we can easily adjust the green rectangle to show this information and check that it will be visible after the page has been folded. I can move the contents of the page via the Settings page. Click the Paper Source options and use the Rotation, Alignment, or Margins options. The content I wish to see on the front page must be within the green rectangle. This is called the title block. I check the page alignment within Preferences on the right-hand side. Here I can set the default alignment as either page/image alignment or roll/page alignment, so the page is placed on the correct side of the roll. I can zoom in on the green rectangle to see the information up close. If required, I can use the rotation buttons on the bottom of the screen to rotate the page 90 degrees counterclockwise.